Welcome back here to Fox 51 today. Do you have a student who's entering high school, maybe getting ready to leave high school as well? Maybe they need to be on the right academic path. Luckily, there's a great organization that's pretty new here, but it's going to get them on the right track. Donna Spann is the CEO of Capstone College and Career Advising. Donna, it's a pleasure to have you here on Fox 51 today. Well, thank you. So we were talking about this in the break, but set up exactly how this happened. You had worked in an advising capacity for several years. What was then the idea behind Capstone? How did that come about?
Well, you know, I have daughters. I'm a mom too. And I had daughters that were preparing years ago for the process. And so that, you know, kind of gave you the idea of there were a lot of other moms like me out there. And so about 2 years ago, I founded Capstone College Advising. And we work with students actually and families. You know, families are confused and want the best for their children as they're thinking about college aspirations. And oftentimes they don't have all the answers because it's very different now than it was 20 years ago. You know, technology, you can apply to colleges, multiple colleges, with just a click of the button. And so trying to get through that process and do it properly. We start as early as freshmen in high school. You know, the freshman, sophomore years, I know it's unheard of almost, but you know, as a freshman and sophomore, you need to start thinking about what are your gifts and talents and abilities, and how can you marry that with a professional career that's going to help you in your life.
Well, and we've seen difficulties. We've all been there. And when you say freshman and sophomore, the first thing on their mind is, how am I going to ask out Janice for the dance next week, or how am I going to make the soccer team? And that's okay. But you're saying as long as they just get kind of put on and they are thinking about academia all the way through their higher education, starting that process early. How overwhelming is this process? Take us back for those who have been removed from this a bit. But how overwhelming is this for freshmen and parents, and why is that such a great need to go to Capstone because of that?
Well, it is overwhelming. You know, the college admission process has become very competitive. One of the reasons because of technology. But there's more children and students applying to colleges and universities. Last year alone, the University of Texas at Austin had 35,500 applicants for 8,000 spots. Okay, so that just kind of gives you an idea. Their acceptance rate last year was 14%. So it has become highly competitive. And there is a lot to the process, a lot of required documents and preparation, and we know at Capstone what colleges and universities are looking for in that right fit student for their universities. So we can help them through freshman all the way through the senior year to prepare for that process, as far as having a solid, rigorous curriculum. You know, all the way from freshman year, not thinking about it just when you start thinking about college applications. Oh, I need a rigorous curriculum. You need to start thinking about that and planning as a freshman as you go through, and taking advantage of meaningful activities. You know, your community service, which is so very important, and you know, colleges and universities and that right fit student, they're looking for that, just the holistic approach, not just the academic part, but they're looking for the personal achievement part too. So having all that and beginning as a freshman just builds you and makes you more competitive in that applicant pool.
And you're by no means, Donna, saying that they need to pick a school first semester, freshman year of high school. It's a matter of just picking the right curriculum, picking the right courses, working with you. And if somebody does want to work with you at Capstone College and Advisement, what is the easiest way to be able to start that process with you?
They just simply need to contact our office. Our phone number, 903-747-3424. We have a website, www.capstoneadvising.com. And we're on all the social medias.
Wonderful.
You know, so we're easy to find.
Okay, Donna, it's been a pleasure. Thank you so much for all that you're doing to help our students out there. We greatly appreciate you stopping by here this morning.